OWO. Today we are playing Clone Tycoon. And I'm just gonna put my webcam in the corner now. Alright. If you didn't know, this is my channel, Super Awesome FNAF Gamer. My second video, don't judge me. I may have terrible quality. Okay, it's fine. So I do have a save file for this one, and I played it before, but I just wanted to do the whole thing over again for y'all, for my fans out there. I'm just gonna, I can hear the volume, you can't, because I have the thing turned off the computer to where, just in case, copyright stuff comes on. Then I could just, you cannot hear it. So. And I also like to be called by Kitty Cat. Ooh! And I have to change my channel to that Kitty Cat. Ooh! I might do that actually. Kitty Cat. Ooh! If you can, just expect that Kitty Cat. A sword. I have finished the Tycoon before, but I wanted to play the whole thing over again for you. Hello? Got it. Just gonna sing OWO, OWO. And I might not do this through the whole video. It's kind of boring. I'm bored. Let's go build! Yay! OWO! Next price one, 40 cash. I couldn't find out. I don't know what the word was. I'm just gonna type in to tell people that I'm doing what to. Sorry, that's kind of loud. Just type that in there. Make sure people are aware that I'm doing a video when they're in it. Yeah. Okay. I thought my own phone tried to kill me. What the heck, Chloe? Is that like an army? Oh, yeah, it's a miners. Yeah, they're mining. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. What you have for me? You can't get anything. You can't get anything for stuff. Whatever. This is stupid. I need 13. Jesus. Okay, let's go back on the base. Gotta this one's gonna be a little bit of a longer video. Because why not? I feel like filming a longer video. And just why not? Maybe like a 7-8 minute video instead of my normal 5-6 minute video. That's any gems. I have enough monies. Let's do that. Okay, now I'm just going to 700s. Alright. Hello. Oh, I have 10 gold. Can almost get the potion. And it's like mystery potion. Oh, I hope it's not. I played this by myself. Whenever I play by myself, I push it like zero armor. It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. I know I said it was good. Say that. Actually, I'm trying to say it. Oh, hello. Now, this sword. Okay. Just my Mikey there. Oh, I forgot that I even have a webcam on. Wow. Oh, it's an 8-minute video only. Okay. We'll do this one, and then I'm gonna say it for something. Oh, that was loud in my ear. Alright. Start talking louder so you hear me. My last video is like cutting out every now and then, and I don't want you to not hear me, so I'm just gonna like yell. Stats for current game. They do not save. That sucks. There's 185 caches. Okay, let's go. 9-minute video. I'm gonna stop at 10 minutes. Cause we playing with tycoon. Yes, I'm keeping watch of the time. I'll try and stop at like exactly 10. That would be a miracle. So I'm gonna start doing an outro now. Love you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.